You know how they said that it'd be a cold day in Well, I think what they meant to say was it'll be a cold day in Georgia. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We are having a cold day. Now, before I get started, yes, I know I'm silly. I'm a Georgia boy. We live in South Georgia. This doesn't happen. I think the last time this happened was about 11 years ago. It was nowhere near as much as this. So far, we've gotten about 5 to 6 inches, maybe a little bit more in some spots. And yeah, this is rare. So I just wanted to document it, bring you along if you wanted to check it out. If you're from the north or somewhere else that gets snow, this is probably boring to you, but we never ever get this kind of snow. So it's pretty amazing to us people here in the south. The snowstorm, I think it was called Enzo, winter storm Enzo, came rolling through last night, dumped a bunch of snow on us. Some people got even more than we did, but this is amazing. We've been out playing in it, making snow angels. I filmed some stuff last night from when it started setting in and snowing. You can see my feet are buried in it, and it's just a winter wonderland out here. Again, this is the most we've ever gotten, I believe, in a very long time. I think we had a snowstorm back in the 80s sometime. Don't quote me. I was actually kind of young then at that point. Don't remember it very well. Like I said, we've got some snow, mainly ice, back in 2014, I believe it was. That one was not as fun. Lost power, tree fell on the house. So far, we've kept our power on and no damage, no incidents, just staying warm and bundled up and enjoying making some snowmen. Flew the drone for a few minutes while I wasn't freezing my butt off, and just to try to get a few little sights. And the dog is funny. She's never seen snow before. She loves it. I'll put a few video clips of her in, jumping around and having fun. She loves to eat it. Probably not a great thing to do, especially don't eat the yellow snow. But we've had a lot of fun so far. It's supposed to be absolutely freezing here today again. I think high somewhere in the 34 range maybe, and low in the 14 range. So even if some of this melts, it'll probably refreeze to ice, and probably in the shady spots and whatnot will stick around for a good little bit. But again, this is pretty rare for us. Again, nothing special to some of you northern folk. I'm sure you get this quite often, but for us Georgia people, this is a treat. I don't know when we'll see this again, so thought I'd video it, show you some of the sights, some of the things if you wanted to check it out. And yeah, thanks for being here. If you want to subscribe, click the button. You know what to do. And I hope you have a great day. Enjoy some of the clips. Catch it. Oh, you missed.
Where'd it go?
Hey, hey, catch.
Hey, you did it!